What's up, everyone? Today I'm giving you a cheat sheet for your digital life. We all use tech daily, but there's a hidden layer of features and shortcuts built right into your devices just waiting to be unlocked. These aren't complicated developer secrets. They're simple hacks that make everything from texting to editing photos faster and smoother. I'm sharing 10 of my favorite hidden features across your smartphone and laptop that'll save you time and frustration. Let's jump in. First up, gestures that supercharge your phone. On iPhone, a 3-finger swipe left undoes your last action and right redoes it. No more shaking your phone. Try the back tap feature in accessibility. Double tap the back to screenshot, triple tap to open the camera, or set it to launch any app. Android users, double tap the recent apps button or swipe the bottom bar to instantly switch between apps. Perfect for multitasking. Use one-handed mode. Swipe down near the bottom edge to shrink the screen for easier reach. These gestures make navigation lightning fast. Set them up once, and they'll feel like second nature. They're all about efficiency, shaving off seconds that add up. Try them and see how much smoother your phone feels. Let's talk computers. Keyboard shortcuts are your productivity superpower. On Windows, use Windows plus arrow keys to snap windows side by side instantly. On Mac, hover over the green button to tile windows left or right. For emojis, Windows plus period opens the emoji keyboard. On Mac, it's Control plus Command plus Spacebar. These shortcuts bring mobile convenience to your desktop. They keep your workflow smooth and your desktop organized. Once you start using them, you'll never go back. Try a few today and watch your efficiency soar. Voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant can do way more than check the weather. Send texts, set reminders, or even control smart home devices, all hands-free. Try, "Hey Siri, send a message to Mom." Or, "Hey Google, remind me to call the bank tomorrow at 10 a.m. Set up routines. One command can turn on lights, read your calendar, and play your favorite podcast. Control your smart home, turn off the living room lights, or set the thermostat to 72 degrees. These features make your phone a true digital assistant. Explore their settings and see how much they can do for you. You'll wonder how you managed without them. Editing PDFs doesn't have to be a headache or expensive. Use free sites like Small PDF or I Love PDF to merge, split, compress, or convert PDFs right in your browser. Add text, images, or your signature with a few clicks, no downloads needed. These tools work on any device and are super intuitive. Next time you need to sign or edit a PDF, skip the pricey software. Just drag, drop, edit, and download. It's fast, free, and saves you money. Give them a try and simplify your document workflow. Want pro-level photo edits for free? AI tools have you covered. Use Adobe's free background remover to instantly cut out subjects perfect for profile pics or thumbnails. Try ClipDrop's cleanup to erase unwanted objects from photos with a swipe. Apps like Remini can sharpen and enhance blurry images in seconds. These tools are fast, free, and require zero design skills. Don't delete that almost perfect shot. Fix it in seconds. Your photos will look better than ever. Low battery? Tweak a few hidden settings to stretch your device's life. Enable adaptive or auto brightness so your screen adjusts automatically. Use dark mode, especially on OLED screens, to save power. Limit background app activity, turn off background app. Refresh on iOS or use adaptive battery on Android. On laptops, set your power mode to best battery life for extra hours. These quick changes can add precious time to your day. Set them up now and stop worrying about running out of juice. WhatsApp has hidden gems to make messaging smarter. Pin important chats to the top for easy access. Swipe right on iOS or long press on Android. Format text or tilde strike through tilde for clearer messages. Use disappearing messages for privacy. Set chats to auto-delete after 24 hours, 7 or 90 days. Send high-quality photos by attaching them as documents instead of using the camera icon. These features keep your chats organized, private, and sharp. Explore WhatsApp's settings for even more tricks. Small tweaks, big impact. Try them out and upgrade your messaging game. Chrome is packed with features to streamline your browsing. Use tab groups to organize and collapse tabs by project or topic. Right-click a tab to start. Take full-page screenshots, open Developer Tools, F12, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and type Screenshot. Right-click any image and select Search Image with Google to use Google Lens for instant info or shopping. These tools declutter your browser and boost productivity. Once you try them, you'll never browse the same way again. Chrome's hidden features are true time savers. Dig in and discover what you've been missing. Gmail can do more than just send emails. Use Schedule Send to write emails now and send them later. Perfect for working ahead or respecting others' time. Enable templates to save and reuse common responses with a click. Set Undo. Send to 30 seconds in settings for a bigger safety net after hitting send. These features save time, prevent mistakes, and keep your inbox under control. Explore Gmail's settings for even more productivity hacks. Make your email work for you, not the other way around. Try these out and reclaim your inbox. Make your device work for you by customizing quick settings. On Android, tap the pencil icon to add, remove, or rearrange toggles. Put your most used features up front. On iOS, go to Settings. Control Center to add shortcuts like screen recording or Shazam. Personalize your panel so essentials are just a swipe away. No more digging through menus for the hotspot or calculator. 5 minutes of setup saves you time every day. Your shortcuts should fit your life. That's 10 tech hacks to make your digital life easier. Try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments or share your own secret trick. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and keep exploring what your tech can do. See you in the next one.